On early Wednesday morning, people of Sikkim, especially Gangtok, wake up with the news that Sub-Divisional Engineer Mobile Section of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited Telephone Exchange on duty in Sikkim was mauled by a Himalayan black bear early morning at his office. The victim of the bear attack, identified as Arvind Yadav, is a BSNL official who resides at the building. He has been rushed to STNM hospital due to serious injuries. The animal is believed to have pounced on him with its claws with such ferocity that a chunk of his hair came off his scalp along with the skin. He also received deep injuries in the hand. After the news, forest teams including DFOs, secretaries and later Forest Minister Karma Lode reached the BSNL telephone exchange near MG Marg. From Police DIG and IGP, MP Lok Sabha also reached the spot to take stock of the situation. The bear is believed to have strayed in from the nearby forest in the dead of the night. But the fact that the animal managed to reach the heart of the town, giving rise to the concern of people's safety. The bear attacking the BSNL staff was then found itself cornered in one part of the multi-storied building for the better part of the day before Sikkim forest officials tranquilized in the evening. East Sikkim Divisional Forest Officer for Wildlife, Dichin Lachungpa, said that the attempts at tranquilizing the animal were not successful till 2 p.m. of Wednesday. The injured person has been admitted to the STNM hospital where his condition is stable, said Dichin.
We found that the bear is hiding behind the Ruchi building near the telephone exchange. So then we were getting our tranquilizing guns and all necessary equipments ready for capture of the bear. Backside of his head is injured. We immediately called the ambulance from Sochagang and he's undergoing treatment. So his life is out of danger.
Forest officials and police tried various techniques to take out the bear from the stuck room, but none of the ideas worked, unable to tranquilize the bear.
Capturing a wild animal is not very easy. It's very risky, especially because the Himalayan black bear at this point is the bear does not become unconscious. Instead, it comes and it attacks the person who is tranquilizing or anybody who is nearby.
Nearly 12 hours of struggle, finally the bear which has attacked man has been tranquilized and rescued successfully. Wildlife experts, however, expressed concern over the use of tear gas, shells and chili smoke before tranquilizing the animal. Himalayan black bears are protected species under Schedule 2 of the Indian Wildlife Protections Act 1972, according to Lachungpa, and are also listed as vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List. The Himalayan black bear is a subspecies of the Asian black bear found in the Himalayas of India, Tibet, Nepal, China and Pakistan. With Deepa Gurung, Gangtok.